If we click on the Settings tab, you can find out here how to add user accounts for your customers. On the right hand side, you will choose your customer, and then if you click the plus button, you can add a new user. Choose a username and then choose a password. The password must have at least 8 characters, 6 letters, 1 capital letter, and 1 number. Then you need to insert the name of the customer. Grade can be used for business purposes, telephone number, mobile number, and email. Insert the email address and save. You then have 3 choices of administrator, user with full access, or user with restricted access. The administrator has full access rights of the system. He can add new users and edit basically every option that is on the system. The user with full access has similar rights to the administrator, but there are certain areas of the Positrex system that he doesn't have access to administer and to make changes. The user with restricted access has a choice. You have the choice to edit which vehicles that he sees and which features on the Positrex system that he can actually see. So there is the option to add a user and allow him to see, for instance, only one vehicle and only the position on the map. It gives a large number of options. You can choose all on the right hand side to allow them to see every vehicle and every option. Then you can save this option. You saw is due to the fact that all vehicles are ticked and all features are ticked. When this is chosen, it is basically the same as having a user full access account. So if we untick a few of the options and then we save it, you will see that the dialog is okay. If we go back into the settings, you now have your customer, you're set up with user restricted access, and he can't see these basic options. You see at the top of the screen each option with an explanation of what the customer can do in this feature. At the top you will see clients, and this is where you can select which clients the user can see. This is the main account, and if you want him to see the second account, you can click this and save it. You can then change his access rights to company 1 and company 2. Once again, you need to save this. To edit, click on the edit button. You will see the user account. You can change the names of the account if required, the telephone numbers, and change the password. You will see on the password that there is a button after logging in, force a password change. This means that you can set a password and give it to your customer, and he can then, once he logs in for the first time, change it to a password which is suitable to him. To delete a user account, quite simply, click on delete. It will ask you if you want to delete it and keep it deleted, and the user account is gone.